Okay.
It was a Toys for Tots fundraiser. But I want to do a public information request for how much they raised and how much actually went to Toys for Tots. Oh, they got homers in this bitch.
Yeah, so you think they're fixing to make up a warrant and come get him?
Well,
They'd have to work really hard.
that trooper just snuck out. Oh, he went in front. Okay, he went in the building.
And if they do it, if they come out, if I see more than 2 or 3 officers come out to approach us, I'm going live. Okay. Judging by that guy's actions, he does not like the camera. He did not like that I knew his name, and he was holding his phone to where he was blocking his badge on purpose. Like every time I moved my
What the
camera,
fuck?
he was moving his phone. Yeah.
Damage is still over there getting some content. Those guys wanted to say something. I was recording them. They wanted to say something, but they didn't. And then that's when you started talking to that
What's your
trooper.
name? You hear that?
Yeah.
This is how you get it.
Oh man, that's got to be crazy wind noise. Sorry guys. I may have to edit all this out. Okay. Oh, that ain't him. Uh-huh. Man, I thought that Tahoe over there was that trooper, but it's not.
He went in.
He went in where?
He went in here. I filmed him. The guy that was from around the corner that took the tyrant.
Oh, he parked over there. Okay. Betcha.
What are you doing, sir? What are you doing?
Question is, what is she doing?
I don't know. Man, you do have that reaction on people.
I'm telling you, bro, that's why I started doing this, because I can't go. I've been getting treated like this my whole life before I carried a camera. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter where I go, I've always got treated like this. And so it's like, fuck it, I might as well carry a camera and just document the way these people treat me. It's nuts, man. It's nuts. All y'all walk by. I'm the last one to walk by, and she wants to trade on me.
That's what I was thinking. It's like, what the hell? I was speechless. I couldn't say anything. She's like, what are you doing? She's asking you, and then she starts glaring at me. And I'm like, I'm not going to say anything.
Officer just peeked out of the door.
What, at the hallway?
Big ball cop. What's that?
Somebody speak to you?
This is
Wait a minute.
waiting. For
Power, control, trust, respect, responsibility, commitment, and communication. What the hell is that about?
power control. Where do they train these people? What the heck?
Is that what that was about?
What are these forms?
Non-prosecution form. Victim services. Wow.
It's a nice chair. It's an older chair. I like
It looks
this
sturdy.
size.
Stack those to the ceiling.
I wonder if this is where I get help.
No, that's a dispatch right here.
This chair looks like someone sat in it.
Oh,
naked.
racing stripe. I'm surprised it's not blue.
Hair phone. AIP, AI phone.
What's the memo? I didn't get the memo. Due to the rise in COVID-19 cases statewide, only law enforcement officials and county employees are allowed past this door until further notice. Sheriff Byron Lyons. Good. They do have some propaganda up in here.
Big time. Guess not happening.
Let me go have a smoke. Oh, well, is Blue still in here?
She went out.
She did. Two there, one there, one there. I'll bet you. Oh, okay. Guess I can turn that one. Come on, Ninja.
Yeah, so I've delivered costs and stuff like that here before. Thank you. I get paid either way, so. I mean, they could take it and go through it and give it to them.
What she want to talk to? I don't know if anybody can help me. My parents have been trying to help me for years. They tried all kinds of medications. None of it worked. Actually, I do have a question. I actually did have a question. So are inmates allowed to order food from Walmart and have delivery drivers bring it to them? Why did that lady in the line in front of me just say that she's brought inmates food and she's delivered it and all have accepted it if it's not allowed? So they may have allowed it in the past, but they don't allow it any longer. Okay. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to, can I do a public information request? All right, thank you. See that nice? I'm nice.
My battery's about to die.
So,
Boy, I guess this lady over here blew up.
how was she triggered? Well, no, I was here and she went back there. What happened after she went back there?
Oh, she just came back. She came back out and went in and slammed her door.